Hi, if you wanna rotate your home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then firstly we need to swipe down from the up red corner to trigger quick settings, and in here swipe this line down to check more features. So if you can see here this portrait mode, then you need to tap it once, so you'll see auto rotate and the icon would be white. After that, we can open settings, scroll down, and here find home screen tab. And now scroll a bit more, and you should see this feature rotate to landscape mode. So to use it, you need to tap on the switcher and it will light up blue. And now you can go back to your home screen, actually rotate the phone, and the screen will rotate as well. So you can use your phone in this landscape view, almost like you will use your tablet, something like that. This is pretty cool because not all devices provide such feature to rotate exactly the home screen. So this is how you can enable it or disable. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.